Here factors of 56, factor of 48, factors of 36, factors of 81, factors of 144. So 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 14, 28 and 56 are the factors of 56. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 48 are the factors of 48. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36 are the factors of 36. 1, 3, 9, 27, 81 are the factors of 81. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 16, 18, 24, 36, 48, 72 and 144 are the factors of 144. The first problem is, what is the highest common factor of 56 and 44 and 48? So for 56 and 48, the highest common factor is, you can see, we have 48, there is no common, 24 is no common, 16 is when we multiply by 8 to 2, so it gives 16 and 16 is here. And also I think there is no any number except 16. And here 8 and 8 is here, so one number is common, and the highest common number is 8, so 8 is the common factor which is highest in the given two numbers 56 and 48. So here 48 and 56 having the common factor which is highest, that is 8. So the highest common factor of 56 and 48 is 8. What is the highest common factor of 48 and 144? So 48 and 144, here you can see 48 and 48 is common here, and above the 48 there is no any number here, so 48 is the common factor which is highest in 48 and 144. So 48 is the highest common factor of 48 and 144. Now here, what is the highest common factor of 36, 81 and 144? 36, 81 and 144. Now in 36, 81, 144, here you can see the common factors are 9, 9 and 9. Above the 9, I think there is no any common factor. Above the 9 means common factor greater than 9 is not here in the three given numbers, so 9 will be the highest common factor of 36, 81 and 144. Now what is the highest common factor of 144, 56 and 48? So now 144, 56 and 48. Here the smallest number is 48, so the common numbers are in factors 48 here, 48 here, but 48 is not here, so we will not go with 48. Now here 24 is here, 24 is here, but 24 is not here, so 24 will not be included. Like less than 24, 16 is here, but 16 is not here. 12 is here, but 12 is not here. 8 is here, 8 is here, and 8 is also here. So 8 is the highest common factor of 144, 56 and 48. Now what is the lowest common factor of 56 and 36? So for 56 and 36 we have to reverse the ACF, like we have to find the lowest common factor. So 56 and 36. Among 56 and 36, 36 is the less number. So here 36 is here, 36 is not here. 18 is here, 18 is not here. 12 is here, 12 is not here. 6 is here, 6 is not here. 4 is here, 4 is here. 2 is here, 2 is here. So here in 2 and 4, Here 1 is the lowest common multiple of 56 and 36. Now, is the lowest common factor always 1? Yes, this is true, because 1 is the number in all the factors itself. Now, look at the